check out last week's video or subscribe. And we have some merch link in the bio. We have some of the merch link that's in the bio.